Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download the Razer app for your mouse and keyboard. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just type down in the URL box Razer Synapse. Okay, Razer Synapse. Hit on enter. So just click on Razer Synapse for advanced device control right here. Click on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, scroll down and just click on download for Windows or Mac. Okay, especially Windows right here as we have Windows 11. So just click on it and save it wherever you want. Save and just wait for the download process to finish and just click on the installer right here. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up, and then you can now go ahead and close the browser. Here we have the installer. Click on continue right here and just find Razer Synapse. Okay, Razer Synapse 4 or Razer Synapse right here is a Razer hardware configurator. So this is what we need for what? Our mouse and keyboard. So if you want to, you can include Razer Chrome app. If not, untick it. And then just click on install. Install Razer Cortex. Yes or no? I'm just going to hit I'll skip. I'm not going to be needing it. Okay. So let's just wait for the installation process to finish right here. Now, once that is installed, just click on launch. And just log in, or if you don't have an account, you can continue as a guest or just sign up right here. Okay, so I'm just going to log in with my Google account right here. And it says here logging you in, so just wait for it. And once done, you can now go ahead and close the Razer gaming software. And Synapse right here will just automatically download things for you. And shortly, you will now be able to access your peripherals. Okay. And as you can see here, you can just click on close, then just wait for your hardware to pop up. As you can see here, it automatically detects my Basilisk X. So I'm just going to click on it. As you can see here, it's now installing the required files for my specific mouse. So you can just wait for it. And then after that, just wait for your peripheral to load. Yours may be different. You may have a keyboard right here if you have a keyboard. Okay, and now you can go ahead and remap everything from here or change some settings. And that is it. That's how simple it is to download a Razer app for mouse and keyboard. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.